How to merge last and first name in Excel. There are two options we'll share to you. First option, press equals and click on last name. Ampersand and double quote 2 times. And ampersand again. Click on first name and press enter. The result, I see that last and first name is merge, but it doesn't have space. Okay, I just click on the formula bar and press key space in the double quote. Click here and press enter. Okay, the name of student have space in cell. It's correct. Second option. I click on this cell and press equals. The function I use is concatenate and click on last name and comma. Next, click the first name and close parenthesis, and the last press enter. Now the result, last and first name combine, but doesn't see the space between last and first name. How to solve? Click on the first cell and add the double quote 2 times between selected cells. And insert space in the double quote. Next, press enter. Check the outcome on cells. The space between last and first, name it release. Okay, with this problem is solved. Thank you for your lovely sharing. See you next video. ICT Share.